Hello and welcome back to the channel. Super glad to have you here. So in today's video we're going to talk about the amazing, wonderful medicinal properties of garlic, different ways to use garlic, different recipes that are great for helping to relieve specific symptoms when it comes to boosting the immune system, when it comes to helping with anti-inflammatory properties, anti-parasitic properties as well. We're going to teach you how to use garlic medicinally, so this video is for information purposes only, and also speaking and linking to my own personal experience as well as the experience of many others and some recent medical scientific studies, which will all be in the description box below regarding the information presented in this video. So we are going to cover most foundational knowledge that you would need about using garlic medicinally, so stay tuned. It's a wonderful, exciting video where we will have different resources. So here, as you can tell, I am on Amazon and I just wrote garlic, and as you can tell we have a variety of different ways to use garlic, from capsules to extracts to oils, and just basically minced garlic here, and other companies, odorless garlic, and so many different ways to use garlic for the health as well. So it can be quite confusing because it's like, okay, where do I start? I want to boost my immune system, I want to enjoy the benefits of garlic, but I don't enjoy eating it on a daily basis. I want to avoid the smell of garlic. Where do I start using this wonderful ingredient to improve my health? Well, garlic has been around for at least 5,000 years, and it's actually been considered one of the best anti-inflammatory plants out there. It's also been known to reduce the blood cholesterol levels. It's also been used in orthodox medicine to help in reducing the risk of further heart attacks in cardiac patients. It can also be used as a stimulant for the immune system to give it a boost, and as a general antibiotic as well. So unfortunately it has a strong odor, and this is because of the sulfur containing compounds, which are basically responsible for the medicinal properties of garlic. But you can avoid the strong odor of garlic by following the instructions that we will tell you in this video, so you can enjoy the medicinal properties of garlic without feeling like it's going to stink you throughout the day. So garlic is extremely hot, it's dry, it's pungent. It also has the volatile oil, which is responsible for the sulfur compounds such as allicin, allen, and ajoine as well. Also contains active enzymes, B vitamins, minerals, and flavonoids. All of this combination right here is great because it's extremely important for boosting the immune system and also for giving you the kick that you need to enjoy the anti-inflammatory benefits. So here at my Mountain Rose Herbs, when I entered garlic, there is some garlic salt, also minced garlic, and also garlic extract, which sounds quite interesting as well. So we'll have a look at that. Ear oil, I previously made a video about doing your own garlic ear oil for that, or just a simple garlic oil to be used medicinally. So here's the garlic extract, and then we have the ear oil right next to it. So garlic is considered as a great antibiotic. It also is considered great for preventing sweating, which helps to release the toxins, and it's also good because it reduces the blood pressure, and it reduces the blood cholesterol levels, which is what we're looking for, and it reduces the blood sugar levels, and it's also antihistaminic and anti-parasitic as well. So if you're having problems with parasites, if you're on a anti-parasitic or a parasitic detox cleanse, garlic is the way to go. And you can actually avoid the smell and the taste in many different ways, such as taking the odorless garlic supplements such as garlic extract, as well as a couple of other capsules that are labeled as odorless. But make sure there's specific information that I want you to make sure before you purchase and use garlic supplements, because although so many are advertised as odorless, it can be that they are weak in the active component, allicin, in garlic, and also the active components that are being proven to boost the immune system. So you want to be careful. You want to get your the quality for the money that you pay and for the results that you expect. So different ways of using garlic is the cloves. So first of all, cloves are the main ways to use the garlic plant. So the cloves are used for infections, for chest problems, for digestive disorders, for fungal infections, and also thrush as well. And they're a really good long-term remedy for cardiovascular problems, also reducing excessive blood cholesterol levels that we've talked about before, also helping with the health of blood vessels, and it helps to regulate the blood sugar levels, and also can be helpful for the late onset diabetes. So topically, you can use the garlic cloves for skin infections, for acne, also for hair promotion as well. So stimulate hair growth for healthy, strong hair as well, which is really good. But the odor is absolutely horrible when it comes to that. So I'm sure there are other ways that you can use different herbal products in order to stimulate hair growth, because once you use the cloves on the hair, it's extremely hard to get the smell off. But for alopecia, the condition alopecia, garlic is absolutely amazing for that. And I've got so many people that have so many success stories using garlic on the places, the patches where there's no hair, and just rubbing the clove, cutting it in half and rubbing the clove on the place in the patch that there is no hair. And that has helped in promoting hair growth, and also helped in many cases in returning the hair back as well. So absolutely amazing for that. But you need to be consistent, and yes, it can burn at first slightly, but you need to stay consistent in order to promote hair growth in that area. So you can also use it in pearls, in capsules, powder as well. Also you can use it in paste, mashed, and you can use the fresh garlic cloves like they are cut up, and just simply place them in your mouth, swallow them, and then just take a cup of water straight afterwards. So that has been working great as well for many people. So if you use the cloves fresh, as we said, you can mash them, and you can use them on warts, you can use them on different skin elements as well. Make sure you do a patch test, because you don't want to use garlic on your face specifically if you have sensitive skin. Sensitive, dry skin, do not use garlic, please. So you can add the cloves to the diet, as we said, because what they have is they are considered a prophylactic, and they help against infection, and they also reduce the cholesterol levels, and they improve the quality of the cardiovascular system. And you can eat the crushed cloves around 3 to 6 daily for acute conditions, for severe digestive disorders, for worms, and for infections. So different ways to use garlic. I would recommend the capsules, to be honest, because the garlic powder is made into capsules. It's also less aromatic when it comes to the smell as well, and there are a lot of odorless capsules. And the clinical trials have suggested that only 2 grams of the powdered garlic in the capsules daily can actually prevent further heart attacks in those who have already suffered one attack. And also you can take the capsules daily in order to combat the infection, including thrush, but only take it for a maximum of 1 month, because garlic can be an antibiotic, or is an antibiotic. So it's extremely important, once you do take garlic for medicinal purposes, to make sure after 1 hour or before 1 hour, take a really good quality probiotic. 1 hour before or 1 hour after taking the garlic, in order to get back into that balance. Because once you use the antibiotic, whether it's a herbal one or it's a pharmaceutical one, you want to top it off 1 hour before or after with a probiotic, in order to make sure that your digestive system is well balanced. So with the warnings that I want you to be aware of here, the most important warnings is that if you want to use garlic, also I want you to know that garlic is extremely heating and it can irritate the stomach. So that's why I recommended the different way of using garlic. If you intend to use the cloves, just simply cut up the clove into 2 or 3 pieces, place it in your mouth, swallow it along, chuck in about a cup worth of water straight off, so it doesn't irritate your stomach as much. And if you have sensitive stomach, then you might want to start off with a smaller dose and see how you go, see how your body reacts to that. Another thing is you can simply use garlic in the diet. It's just considered safe, but you can, if you want to take garlic for medicinal properties, you need to make sure that you do not take garlic during pregnancy in medicinal dosages as well. So you're free to use it in your diet, but if you're pregnant, just don't avoid taking garlic in the capsule form or in other medicinal forms as well, because it can cause digestive problems. You can also cause heartburn as well. If you're breastfeeding, make sure that you kind of be careful with garlic, because babies cannot always like the taste, and also it can cause some digestive discomforts which can be given to your babies as well. So the garlic's strong aromatic compounds are excreted into the lungs and into the skin, so make sure that you top off by eating some fresh parsley, fresh mint after eating the garlic, in order to eliminate the odor and the smell and the aroma of garlic. So come towards the end of our video. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, share and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.